Konza Technopolis is the flagship project of Kenya's Vision 2030 economic development portfolio, envisioned to be a world-class smart city powered by superior ICT and ICT-enabled services, reliable infrastructure, and business-friendly governance. We are excited to host the Elevate Africa Summit, a first of its kind unmanned aerial systems gathering in Kenya and East Africa. This summit is planned to be hosted across 2 days, beginning the 28th to 29th of June 2024. The first day will be a conference in Nairobi. The second day will be hosted here at Konza Technopolis, marking the official opening of the state-of-the-art UAS corridor, followed by flight demonstrations and interactive workshops. This event is significant because it positions Kenya as the leading innovation authority and encourages investments in the Technopolis. We at Konza Technopolis fully support the Elevate Africa Summit and invite everyone to participate and contribute to the ushering in the new era in Africa's UAS industry. I now officially launch the registration of Elevate Africa Summit 2024.